Hey friends, welcome to 1 Minute Math. Today we're finding the derivative. The derivative is a function that is defined by a limit. There are two equally good limit definitions of the derivative. You should need to know them both. This second one, normally they're given as the limit as x goes to a is like the first definition. This thing we're looking up here, the limit as h goes to 0 is the second definition. Both of these definitions refer to taking slopes of secant lines on a function and allowing the interval of the secant line to get close to 0. The first definition, as I said, is limit as x goes to a of f of x minus f of a over x minus a. These are both good. Typically, I find myself using the limit as h goes to 0, 1. So if I'm tasked with finding the f prime of x for this function, right, what I'm going to do is take that difference quotient, we would call it, f of x plus h minus f of x over h, plug in my x plus h squared plus 3 times x plus h plus 7. Plug in just x. Don't forget the parentheses here. We want to subtract all of f of x, not just x squared. Divide that by h. And now I have to compute this limit. To get a formula for f prime, I'm not done until I have a formula that has only x as the variable and there are no more h's in there. You can verify for me that if I try and plug in h equals 0 right now, I'm going to get 0 over 0, and that is a telltale sign that we have to do more work. And so from here on out, I'm just computing the limit. This is all going to be algebra. 2x h plus h squared. You can check my computation there, make sure I did the binomial square correctly. I'm going to subtract everything in these parentheses, x squared minus 3x minus 7 all over h. And now is the step where things should start to cancel, and we can really see that happening here. Plus x squared minus x squared. Let's see. Plus 7 minus 7. Plus 3x minus 3x. Running out of colors. Plus 3x minus 3x. So I'm going to take one more step here. You could probably jump right to the next step, which would be to factor an h out of everything. 2xh plus h squared plus h. But let's just say plus 3h, like I said, all over h. So that h is going to cancel. One of those h's cancels. One of that h cancels. I get limit as h goes to 0 of 2x plus h plus 3. Now I can plug in 0 for h, and I get 2x plus 3. That is my formula for f prime. Okay, 9 times out of 10, you're going to find using this limit as h goes to 0 definition to be easier than the limit as x goes to a definition. But if you would like to see an example of the limit as x goes to a definition, or just some more examples and how this formula, this definition plays out, check out the extended cut of this video, which is linked in the comments. Thanks.